Hi, this is Chris from HITI Software. Today we are going to see how to control and monitor your Arduino inputs and outputs from HITIBrain. Open the Arduino I/O control panels. From these panels you can see all the I/O pins. For an Arduino Uno we have 14 digital input-outputs. Pin A0 to pin 13. This dot here indicates that pin 13 is the pin connected to a built-in LED on your Arduino board. And for the analog inputs, we have pin A0 to pin A5. Now we would like to only show pins of interest, so let's show a selection of pins and add pin 3, pin 5, pin 6, pin 8 and pin 13. Now let's give them a name, for example the name of the components we connected to those pins. So switch for pin 3, LED 1 for pin 5, LED 2 for pin 6, servo for pin 8 and built-in LED for pin 13. If we want to prevent any further change to our user interface, we can go to Settings and select Lock User Interface. Next, act on the switch on pin 3 and check the displayed input value changes accordingly. Similarly, you can change the output values. Let's put a PWM value of 50 for LED 1, then 200. Let's put 67.5 degrees for the servo. And finally, let's turn on and off the built-in LED. Finally, I recommend you save your project by pressing Ctrl S. And this concludes this tutorial about the control and monitoring of your Arduino I/O from HITIBrain.